Hi, so here we have the 9x9 quad cage modular matrix switcher, and basically right now we have three inputs, and we have the in1, in2, and an HDMI cable from the Xbox from this side, and another two is connected to the Wallplate from these two laptops. And for the output, right now we have two HDBaseT output, and the yellow line cable, which is to have this matrix switcher connect to this Apple PoE switch. So here we have two LAN cable connect to the two Keypad. So this is the setup for the matrix switcher side. If we go along the way to the two workstation on this side, so here we got the workstation one. Basically we have a HDMI Wallplate. This is the HDMI cable from this Windows laptop. Then we have this LAN cable, which is for the input one. And this the Wallplate, we don't need the extra power supply because we can get the power over the Cat6 cable from the matrix switcher. This is the first Keypad, and we can see this is the IP address for this Keypad, and we get the PoE power from the Apple PoE switch. So with this one, and this is the receiver. So this is the HDBaseT receiver. Then we have this one. Also the output one from the HDBaseT, then connect to this one. Then we have this one connect to this monitor here. So now we already programmed this Keypad. With this Keypad, basically we can just do the source switching. Because we see on the matrix switcher we have three sources. So that means if we press the buttons, we can get the source to this monitor. So input one, which is from this laptop. And input 2, which is from this PC, and then input 3 is from the Xbox. So right now we have three inputs. Basically we can see we can do the switchings, and also this Keypad with the PoE, we don't need the extra power supply. So this is the workstation 1, and the workstation 2 is going to be on this side. So it's going to be the same. We have a Keypad here. This is the IP address for this Keypad, and we're using the same gateway but different IP address. It's from this is the second source. Then the Wallplate transmitter, also same to the input 2, and this is the receiver. Then we have this is the Cat6 cable. Then we have this HDMI output to this monitor on the wall. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to use this Keypad for the source switching. So we can see right now if we switch the source one, which is from this PC, and we can see, and with these two Keypad, we only have this Keypad to control the source switching for this monitor. It's not able to switch to other displays. So if we switch to the input source 2 is from this MacBook, we can check it out. The first monitor, it's not changing, but if we back to this one, it's what it changed to the source 2. And source 3 is from the Xbox. Source 1 from the Windows PC. So this is the two Keypad to control, each Keypad to control only the source switching for this TV. It's not able to switch to for the other TVs. Since this one we have 10 buttons, so the last two buttons we can just set up to turn off or turn on the beep sound. Like right now, if we do the source switching, we can hear a beep sound which is come from the matrix switcher. But if we don't want to hear this beep sound, we can just have this one to turn off the beep sound. So if we do the source switching, we cannot hear any beep sound coming out. So this one we can just turn on the beep sound. Then we can hear if the matrix is respond or not. Okay, so each workstation we only need like three LAN cables, one from the Keypad, one for the Wallplate, and one for the receiver, then HDMI output to this TV. So this is the simple setup for this 9x9 modular matrix switcher with 2 keypad to control the system, and each keypad only to control each monitor. Okay, thank you.